In last class I told you the formula to find out simple interest, which is principal into rate of interest into time by 100, or P into R into T by 100, or simply P into R into T. These two are same thing. Now we'll use this formula to find out simple interest. Number 1, from worksheet 2, find the simple interest at the end of 1 year for rupees 1800 at 12% interest per annum. You see, rate of interest is always written as per annum. So here you have to find the simple interest. Now you have to see which are given to you. At the end of 1 year means एक साल बाद, time period is given, so time is 1 year. So you have to write whatever is given to you. Principal is 1800 rupees, 1800 rupees. 12% interest यानी 100 रुपये में 12 रुपये means this is rate of interest. So rate of interest is 12% per annum, or you simply write 12% P dot A. Children, don't forget to write P dot A. एक साल में है, so you have to mention this, and time is 1 year. Then simple interest, the formula is P into R into T by 100, or you may also use P into R into T. So substitute. P is 1800 into R. R is 12%. See, I told you, if you use 100 here, so simply in place of R you are going to write 12. But if you use P into R into T only, so here you have to write 12%. So percent, you have to remove that percent and you have to write by 100. So आप ये लिखो या ये लिखो, सेम थिंग. सो अगर 100 पहले से लिखे हो तो परसेंट लिखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. इन प्लेस ऑफ परसेंट दिस 100 इज ऑलरेडी रिटन. देन टाइम इज 1 ईयर, सो 1. देन सिंप्लीफाई, 0 20 कैंसिल में डिवाइडेड बाय 100. देन 18 इंटू 12 इज रुपीज 216. ओके, सो दिस इज द सिंपल इंटरेस्ट. देन सेकेंड क्वेश्चन, सेम प्रिंसिपल इज गिवन 2500 rupees at 4 whole 1 by 2% interest per annum. So rate is 4 whole 1 by 2%, which is 9 by 2% per annum, and time is 1 year, जो शुरू में ही है. Now here you see R is a fraction here, so use the formula SI is equals to P into R into T by 100. So P is 2500, then by 100 already written, into R is 9 by 2. ये परसेंट ऑलरेडी 100 हो चुका. 9 by 2, how do you write? 9 is the numerator, 2 is the denominator. So 9 you write in the numerator here by 2. So you see, अगर यहाँ पे परसेंट हटाओगे तो क्या होगा? परसेंट, so by 2 into 100 ऐसा होता. तो देखो ये वही सेम चीज़ है. So when your fraction is there, you write numerator here and denominator here in below the by sign, and your time is 1 year. So when you simplify it, you will get 225 by 2. So you have to convert it to simple interest is the money, so you have to write in your decimal form. So when you divide it, you will get 112.5. so you see 112.5 means 112 rupees. This is not 5 पैसे. पैसे always written in 2 digits, so इसे 2 digit कैसे बनाना है? You have to put 1 more zeros on the right hand side so that इसका वैल्यू चेंज नहीं हो और वो पैसे में भी रहे. So this is 112 rupees 50 पैसे. Similarly, other numbers also you have to do by following the same method. And here see another number. Here P is 2500 rupees. R is 7 whole 1 by 2% per annum, and time is also given in fraction. So no worry, same thing. SI is equals to P into R into T by 100. So P is 2500 into your R is 15 by 2. So 15 by 2, 100 is in the denominator. Then time is 5 by 2. Again 5 in the numerator by 2 in the denominator. So when you cancel and simplify, you will get 1875 by 4. Again SI is in rupees and paise. So you have to divide. I have not shown the division. You have to go for the decimal division. You will finally find out rupees 468.75. Here decimal point is not there. So when you divide, यहाँ पे फिर पॉइंट दे के ज़ीरो ज़रूरत हो तो ऐसे नीचे ला के आपको डिवाइड करना है. Then word problems. Here you have to identify which is principal, which is rate, and which is your time. Here see, a man deposited rupees 4,500 in a bank which paid him an interest of 11% per annum. How much simple interest will he get at the end of 5 years? Okay, so understand the meaning. एक आदमी 4,500 बैंक में जमा किया जिससे उसको 11% पर एनम इंटरेस्ट मिलता है. सो हाउ मच सिंपल इंटरेस्ट विल ही गेट मीन्स यू आर गोइंग टू फाइंड आउट सिंपल इंटरेस्ट. सो इसमें देखो व्हाट इज गिवन टू यू. डिपॉजिट किया ये मीन्स दिस इज द प्रिंसिपल. सो पी इज 4,500. देन at the interest of 11%, 100 में 11 means this is rate of interest. R is equal to 11% per annum. Then simple interest after the end of 5 years, 5 साल बाद. So time is 5 years. So again SI, here I have used P into R into T. 100 नहीं लिखी हूँ, ये भी तरीका देख लो. So P is 4,500 into R. Here as you have not written 100, so in place of R you are going to write 11%. So 11 and percent means 100. Then T is 5. Same देखो वही P into R into T by 100 is same चीज़ आया. Then cancel it and we find out the answer 2,475. More example I want to discuss. Suppose you need to find the simple interest for rupees 4,800 at 7 whole 1 by 2% per annum for 3 months. Now you see P is 4,800 rupees, R is 15 by 2% per annum. Here time is 3 months. See children, here if the rate of interest is per annum means साल का दिया है, per year, so here time should also be in year, but here in the question it is given in months, so you have to convert the time into year. So 3 months कितने साल होते हैं? It is less than 1 year. So how to convert months into year? You have to divide by 12 because in 1 year there are 12 months. So year और month में relation है. 1 year equals to 12 months. So to convert months into year, you have to divide 3 by 12. So this will convert into year. The month convert हो जाएगा year में. Then you can solve it. 3 ones are 3 fours are. So it is 1 by 4 year. So 3 महीना 1 by 4 year होता है. Then you can use the formula for SI for P into R into T by 100. So 4,800 into R is 15 by 2, so 15 by here 2 and already 100 you can write. Then into T is 1 by 4 or you may write 3 by 12. इधर काटो या यहाँ लाके कैंसिल करो, same thing. So T is 1 by 4, 1 here numerator, 4 नीचे और यहाँ multiply sign सब रहेगा. Then you solve it. 20 cancels. Then 4 ones are 4 12s are, then again 2 ones are 2 6 ja, so 15 6 ja 90 is the SI. Suppose the time is given in days, suppose 73 days, so you have to convert it into year. So days को year में कैसे convert करोगे? You have to think the relationship between days and year. एक साल में कितने दिन होते हैं? If it is a non-leap year, then it is 365 days. So to convert days into year, you have to convert the given number of days by 365. So 73, अगर क्वेश्चन है 73 days, you have to convert it into year. So 73 by 365, then days will be converted into year. जब divide कर दिए तो ये days year में convert हो गया. Here also month था. When you divide by 12, then it is converted into year. Similarly, if the time is in weeks, so you have to convert into year. So सोचो एक साल में कितने weeks होते हैं? In 1 year there are 52 weeks. So to convert weeks into year, you have to divide the number by 52. So 4 weeks, if it is given 4, then you have to convert into year by dividing with 52. So children remember, month दिया होगा तो year में convert करना है. So divide by 12. If days is there, to convert into year, divide by 365. If weeks are there, then you have to convert it into year. So divide by 52.